Okay, so technical issues, so sorry for the disturb for you. So we are now going to continue. Okay, so we are talking about the roto, okay, lock out and stack out. So this is one kind of safety training. This is the one kind of safety training. So this is with the safety department, okay, safety department. So definition of the loto is loto. Full form of loto is lock out and tag out, okay. So lock out and tag out. Loto is one kind of training given by safety department. This is the given by safety department. Without Loto training, not allowed to do electrical room, inside work, shutdown work, testing and commissioning work. If you have the not take the Loto training, it's not allowed to electrical room inside the ports. So electrical room, in electrical what works is there? So there should be working. We are working in current, voltage, and ampere. Okay. So there have the electrical room inside have the current, voltage, and ampere is coming there through conductor cable through conductor. So in electrical room inside have distribution board, panel board, SMDB, sub-main distribution board, and some electrical room have big panel board also. Okay, so there have the danger if you don't take the training of Loto. They are not allowed to working inside the electrical room. Okay, so finish this training, they will give the one certificate for you in your name to give the certificate from your name, and another one is one sticker give to you, and this sticker is put in your helmet, because without helmet not allowed to work inside the project. So they will give one certificate for you and one ID card, same like a ID card. So this ID card you can put in your pocket, okay. And another they will provide you to one sticker in put in your helmet. Safety, this Loto training is completed. They will writing Loto training is completed there, okay. So Loto training we should be need in any kinds of electrical work. If you going to work inside the electrical rigs room, rigs electrical room inside rigs of the work of electrical, that time of you need to Loto training. Suppose example if GI conducting and some box installation, that kinds of work is no need to you Loto training, okay. Only for testing and commissioning inside the panel work. Suppose inside the electrical room inside you go and start to gland is there, electrical room. So that time you need to Loto training, okay. That time you need to Loto training. Without this normal work, it's like conduit work, it's like switches box installation work, these types of work, we no need to Loto training, okay. So Loto training is most important in site working. Any industries, any building, if you working in electrical room inside and some testing and commissioning work, testing and commissioning, we are already talking in testing and commissioning permit time. I have explained what is the testing and commissioning work. So which types of work is called testing and commissioning work. I will already explain about this one. Okay, study we have the types of permit class is study. Okay, so there I am already tell testing and commissioning type permit and which types of work you need to testing and commissioning permit. So this one, and shutdown work. What is the meaning of shutdown work? Shutdown work means any project is running, going to on, continue. This is running in 2 years, 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, like that. Okay. So this there have some equipment is inside the building or project. So this equipment in continue running, that time some issues are coming in there. Sometimes some screw is not correctly doing there, and next one is some ball bearing, everything in motor is damaged in there. So continue running. If the continue motor is running, there is some problem is coming inside the motor parts. Okay, so that types of work. If you repairing, maintenance work, that time that types of work is called shutdown work. That time all the power supply is shut down. All the power supply is shut down. This means stop the power supply and start the work. Okay, so that time all electrical room with the power supply is coming from the electrical room. This one stop and start the work. This types of work is told shutdown work. Okay, and testing and commissioning already completed. And the electrical room inside have the DB distribution board. You can there have the working distribution board inside SMDB soft main distribution board. In there you can termination some wires, glanding the cables. You can glanding the cables in there, termination the cable also. So that types of work is have in electrical room inside. Okay, so among these types of work, we need to go to training. These types of work, we need to go to training. Otherwise, normal work and hot work, this is no need to go to training. Okay, hot work means cutting, grinding, and welding. This is no need to go to training. Normal work, conduit work, and some switches box installation work. That types of work you no need to go to training. Only for testing and commissioning, shutdown work, maintenance work, and electrical room inside work. As for electrical power, where is using in electrical power supply? That types of work you can using in go to training. Okay, you need to go to training. Okay, so I hope all of you are writing in your notebooks. This is the definition of notebook. Okay, this is the definition of notebook. Why we need to go to training? Then this one completed in writing. Then after I will tell to you. So next one is what is the step of Lotto work at site. Okay. If you are going to be starting in Lotto work at site, what is the step of work? So how do you maintain the Lotto work in site? Okay. So what are the papers are requirements for you, and what tools, what materials, and how to follow the safety rules to start the work. So what is the step of Lotto work at site? Okay. So suppose example you are maintenance in one motor. Okay, so you can maintenance in one motor. Today you can maintenance in one motor. So what is the step of this one? This is continue running in 6 months to continue running. So you can maintenance these motors. So first, what is the step of this one? So I will explain one by one. First you need. Okay, so you need to permit is for work. So which types of work is you going to work? So you can take the permit from your safety officer. Okay, safety officer. They will give to you permit paper. First priority is this one. Okay, and your next one is. Okay, so next one is need to drawing paper in this motor. So which motors to you want to repairing in there? So this motor you should be need to drawing paper. Okay, so you need to drawing paper also this one. And next one is. Okay. Next one is need to notice effective company work. So one project inside have not only you working, this inside have other company also working. So you can inform, give the notice of this person. Today our maintenance work is going to on in this motor or this area. So our work is related to the here. All the lights, all the power supply is shut down. We make the shut down. So that's why. So you are going to another side to work. So you are going to another area to work. Okay. So you must be need to inform to other affected company workers. So many companies are working in one project inside. Okay. So you can. Hello sir.
वेंटेड है उधर
नहीं सर नीचे.
नीचे
हाँ वो
बोलिए तो वेंटेड को
नहीं सर
एक
का
बार कॉल करने के लिए
सर का मोबाइल से इधर हम लोग को रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं सर मैडम सर
शर्मा शर्मा उधर
शर्मा मैडम का रिकॉर्डिंग में है. मेरा नंबर में फोन कीजिए ना. मेरा नंबर फ्री है.
ठीक है ठीक
ओके
वेंकट को दो थोड़ा फोन फोन करने के बाद
ओके ओके स्वागत है so next one is sorry for disturb students we have some issues so okay so next one is we have the if we are working in the lockdown motor side so today our work is maintenance the motor okay yes motor we want to maintenance in this motor so what you which paper is you require so I will tell one by one you need to permit paper as per work so your work related permit paper you should be need the your work paper related with your work motor. So there is writing this motor number. They have the in industry so many motors is there. Motor 1, 2, 3, 4. They are with the numbering system in there. So we are making in one number 1 motor, number 2 motor. They are with the paper for you. Okay. And next one is need to drawing paper this motor. So this motors drawing paper why we need because this motor which panel to supply is coming we can take the knowledge of this one first because if we don't switch off the supply so many issues are coming so if you maintenance the motor this means you should be close the incoming supply you should be close the incoming supply okay so this is the system so you need to drawing paper so you need to drawing paper in this one and next one is need to notice effective company workers inside the project so many companies are working I am already told to this one so in one area suppose there is working is mechanical work also there plumbing work is also there electrical work is also going to there so others group also working in this area that time you can notice in other group tell group today is our working is going to here in shutdown work and lotto work so please you are working in another side another area you can inform the this another worker if they are not hearing you listening you you inform to your supervisor or your safety officer okay so this is the system of lotto and we can do this one then next one is okay next one is check the motor outgoing power supply with multimeter so sometimes wrong drawing is coming there sometimes some drawing is not completed so some wrong drawing is coming there so better to you can check one time with your multimeter they have the power supply or not you can check in their power supply also have or not okay so then after if there is no any supply you can start the work if the supply is have there any current voltage is there this means you cannot allow to work in this motor because motor maintenance time you should be stop the power supply you can should be stop the power supply. Okay, so this one also you can check in your lotto work time. You should be checking with your multimeter to they have the power or not. If you are put the correct breaker switch off or not. So next one is if you can close the main supply is there, and after coming in working area with motor, and then after if the power is not there, if supply voltage is not there, this means your correct breaker is off, correct switch is off. So you can again return go to panel mode. Then okay, if the everything is okay, power is not coming, this you can check the multimeter, everything is coming. This means put the lockout and tag out in this panel. So you can stop the switch up, the main switch, and then after close the window door of the panel, and you can put the padlock, and after put the tag also, symbol also. What writing in this symbol? There is writing maintenance work is going to progress on. So don't touch here. This types of sticker is coming there. Safety, give to safety in. So you can put lock pad. First you lock in your panel. Because why we need to lock in panel? Because your work is not near of your panel, electrical room, not inside the electrical room. Some people is coming there, and if the switch is on, this means supply is again running in our conductor, in motor. So that means accident will be coming there. So you can put the door, close the door of panel board, and put the padlock is there, and put the marking also, and they put the sticker progress. This panel outgoing supply area progress is going to on. So don't open. You can writing in like that and put the there. So if you put the padlock, you can put the key in your pocket. Okay, don't leave like that. If you put leave like that, somebody is coming here again, open and switch it on. That time problem. So you close with padlock, put the padlock better, and put the key in your pocket. Okay, so this is the system of lockout and tag out. And then after, if everything is complete, okay, so everything is okay, not problem issues of any points. That means you can now start the work. Now you can start the work. So I am writing in 6 points in there. You can follow all of these 6 points. Okay, you can follow all of these 6 points. If the everything is okay, so you can start the work. So this is the system of Lotto working in project. So in Lotto working time, if you working in electrical room inside maintenance, motor maintenance, and testing and commissioning, anyone, if you work that time, you can need to Lotto training. And if you going to maintenance work, you can should be the follow the these rules. These are the our rules, and all completed after you can start the work. Because this motor maintenance maximum industries have big motor, big power motor. 10 kilowatt, 15 kilowatt, and they are in 440 volt three-phase to running this one. So there is so many danger case of electricity. So many danger case of electricity. So you should be clear about this one. If you touch in some equipment, if you maintenance in some equipment, first you think take the training of Lotto and follow the step by step rules. First you need to permit. Second one you need to drawing for the motors and anyone what you want to maintenance. Next one is notice to effective person. Okay, and next one you can switch off the main incomer where to coming in your power supply. You go there with check your drawing and go there and stop the power supply. And then what? Then again confidence to check the multimeter. Again check to multimeter to there have the current or voltage have or not. You can check. If no, this means you can correct breakers is off. And you go there and put the system of lockout and tag out. Everything is okay. After start the work. Okay. So everything is okay after start the work. These are the steps of our lockout and tag out work. Before lockout and tag out, we should be clear about this step, one by one step. Okay. So you can follow the this all step. This means accident will be not coming in your side. If the accident is not coming, you are safe. You safe means everything is good for you. Okay? So everything is good for you. So first priority for any project, any industry, first priority is how to save you. First priority is this one. Save you, then after start the work. Work is second step. But safety is first step. Most important is safety. I will already talking in before class. Accident will be coming in near 1 second. We cannot know what time accident will be coming in there. Okay. So if you follow the safety rules and regulation is better, and you can using in good PPE with working in safety rules and regulation. This means accident is 90% accident is not coming in your working area. Okay, so these are the our steps of Lotto. Okay, how to make the Lotto. So I hope all of you are writing in your notebooks. Today we are making the new systems. Before we are writing in whiteboard, but today we are making in another system too. I hope all of you are clear about. You can clear to see. Okay. Next, so next topic is electrical hazards and controls. Okay, so what are the electrical hazards and how to control? Okay, so this topic is this one. Okay, first hazards. next one is control. Okay, others and control. Number one, others is if you enter the project, if you working in project inside, there is first other is falling objects. Falling objects. Okay, falling objects. This means if you working in first floor or second floor, to some objects are falling with your head and problem for you. So you can, if you working in the project, first before you start the work, check your workplace. This is correct, safe condition have or not. Somebody is working overhead to you or not. First, you can check the this one. Okay. So falling object, how to control is this one. Check the working area. Number one. And next one, let's check the work area and use helmet in your head. Okay. So check the work area. You can checking in work area. If somebody is working in overhead or not. First you check there. The next one is use helmet in your head. Always put in your head, helmet is in your head. Don't remove in head. Sometimes you think, oh, so many hot is coming. Oh, there is so sweets is coming in your head. That time you can going to little bit safe place and remove your sweets. Again you can put the helmets in your head. In building or project working time, you don't remove in helmet your head. If your work is finished, you can remove the helmet and return to stop. Even your work is 6 to 5 p.m. 8 hours or 10 hours inside the project. That time you can should be use the helmets. Because helmet is protect your head. If some material is falling offside, maximum helmet is control. Okay, helmet is control. Okay, and next one is number 2. Others is inside. Or at height. So maximum site and industries have the work at height. So what is the work at height? I have already told. If you working FFL, finishing floor level, FFL, finishing floor level to 1.8 meter above or 1.8 meter below, minus height or plus height. This types of work is called work in height. This type of work is called work in height. So in working height time, you can should be wearing full body safety harness. Full body safety harness. So how to control in working height? So this means use full body safety belt. Okay, use full body safety belt and check your working platform or okay. So use full body safety belt and check your working platform or scaffolding where you go to work. This is good condition or not. If you working in working height, you should be using full body safety harness. This is your most priority. If you not using in full body safety harness, problem for some hazards. Okay, so you can using in full body safety harness. Next one is as well as you can check in your work platform and scaffolding. This is good or not? You can check scaffolding. Yesterday class is our related with last class is our related with scaffolding. Yes, scaffolding, three types of tag: red tag, yellow tag, green tag. Red tag means not allowed. Yellow tag means going to scaffolding in progress on, and green tag means you can allow. Only if your scaffolding have the green tag, you can use the scaffolding. So you can use the scaffolding without not using scaffolding. So you can work in high hazard is side. So that time you should be use full body safety belt and check your working platform or scaffolding. This is correct, good condition or not. You should be check this one and work is there. Okay, so this is the hazard. So I hope this two is clear all of you. Falling objects and work and height. Falling objects, check the work area. You can check in your work area. Some person is working in your overhead, second floor, third floor. If they have the danger case of some falling objects, you can check this one. And then after start the work. And use helmet in your head. Every time you can wear in helmet. Okay, in your head. Don't remove it. Okay, and next one, work and height. Work and height. If you working in 1.8 meter above, finishing floor level to 1.8 meter above or 1.8 meter below. This means plus value or minus value also. So that this types of work is called work and height. Okay, so that time you can use full body safety belt and check your working platform or scaffolding. This is good condition or not. You can check this one. Okay, and I hope all of you are writing this one. Okay, clear about this one. And third one, and so trip and fall. Maybe some trip is coming there. You can your working area. You can check in there. If the trip is your foot and fall down also. So that how to control this one. check your port area condition and make the good okay. So make the good housekeeping in your work area. Clean, make the clean. If there have any other object, scrap, anything is there, before you start the work, you can make the clean of your area. Okay, good cleaning and housekeeping. All if the you can put in your equipment, what tools is you need one side to put housekeeping and start the work. And if finish your work half an hour before, again you make the your area is good housekeeping. So this if you making like that and arrange the materials in one side and put the barricades in safety barricades too, you can put the barricades. This means accident will be not coming in there and you cannot sleep. Other person also coming there and not trip and fall. Okay, not trip and fall in there. Okay, so you can take this one also. Okay. And next one is so electrical shocks. So this is the danger. Everything you can take in your working area. Electrical because electrical power is needs for anywhere in working new building or running building. We need to electrical power supply. Without electrical power supply, you cannot installation some equipment is there and some motors is there. So you need to electrical power supply. So they are to running in current and voltage. So if the leakage shocks will be come with you, and this means problem for your body part. Okay. So how to control in this one? Check the power supply plot with power supply wire insulation. Okay, so you can check in your power supply plot. Where do you take the power? You take the power one power board is one side in the project. So there too you can take the power and start to work. So you check the power plug is correct or not. There have the earth termination is correct terminate or not. You can check in your power supply also. And power supply wire you can check the insulation. This insulation is damaged or not. You can check in power supply insulation also. Okay, so you should be here in this one. So electrical inside these four hazards if you control, accident will be not coming you, not coming from you. Okay, they are not in surrounding with your area. If you follow the this hazards and control the systems, this means accident will be not coming in there. So these are the our electrical hazards. Four hazards. First one is trip and fall. Okay, and next one is broken height. Okay, and another is electrical shocks. So this one is, and another falling objects. Falling objects. So you can check in your overhead. How to control? I am already explained. So you can write in your notebooks this. Correct for you. Okay. After remind, you can check in your notebooks. Okay, I hope all of you are writing is completed. Writing is completed. I hope all of you are writing is completed. So today our class is related rotor training and electrical hazards. Two classes today we are discussing in classes two things: rotor training and electrical hazards. Okay, just I hope all of you are clear about the this today topics. If you have the not clear any doubt, you can make the message. You send the message in our WhatsApp group. I will make them more clear of you. Okay, wish you all the best. First class is completed. We will coming in afternoon class. Thank you.